Hi, here we have in a company 20% of the employees work in the manufacturing department. So if 20 work in manufacturing, the remaining 80% will work in non-manufacturing departments. If the total salary obtained by all the manufacturing employees is 1/6 of the total salary obtained by all the employees in the company, then the ratio of average salary obtained by manufacturing employees to the average salary obtained by non-manufacturing employees is what? Okay. So let's assume that the total number of employees is 100x. Out of this 100x, there are some manufacturing employees. How many? 20% of this. So there are 20x manufacturing employees. So how many non-manufacturing employees will be there? The remaining 100x minus 20x is 80x. There will be 80x non-manufacturing employees. Now the average salary of all the employees is, let's say, 6s. This is the average salary of all the employees. So the average salary of manufacturing employees, or rather the total salary obtained by manufacturing employees is 1/6. Sorry. So assuming that the total salary of all the employees is 600s. Let's say this is the total salary. So the total salary of manufacturing employees is going to be 1/6 of the total salary of all the employees. So 1/6 of this is 100s. This is total salary of manufacturing employees. So the total salary of non-manufacturing employees, how much will it be? 600s minus 100, which is 500s. This is the total salary of non-manufacturing employees. Now the question is, the ratio of average salary obtained by manufacturing employees to average salary obtained by non-manufacturing employees. So average salary of manufacturing employees upon average salary of non-manufacturing employees. Now, how would we calculate average salary? We can calculate average salary by calculating ratio of total salary upon total employees. So, for manufacturing employees, the average salary is 100s divided by total manufacturing employees 20x. This and the ratio of average salary of non-manufacturing employees, that will be total salary of non-manufacturing employees 100s upon total number of non-manufacturing employees 80x. So let's simplify this. The first ratio here is 100s upon 20x, and this, since it is in denominator, so this gets its reciprocal will get multiplied. So into 80x by 500s, right? So we have s gets cancelled out, x cancels out, 100 cancels out by 500 5 times here. Okay, 80 cancels out by 20 4 times here. So the ratio comes out to be 4:5. So the ratio of average salary of manufacturing employees and non-manufacturing employees is 4:5, which is option A. Thank you.